Hey everyone, welcome back to our Selenium series. Big news, we have hit 65 subscribers. Now the goal is to reach 1000 subs in the next 3 months. So if you haven't subscribed yet, smash that button below. Today we'll see how to handle multiple windows in Selenium. You might think it is difficult to work with multiple tabs, but I'm gonna make it super easy for you. Let's get started. We'll see two scenarios today. One is where you click an element, it opens a tab and you have to work on the second tab. And the second scenario is where you click an element, it opens multiple tabs and you have to work on a specific tab. If you remember in our first video, clicking on the search result on Amazon site opens a new tab. We'll revisit and reuse that script for handling windows. So let me just copy that code and paste it here, and we'll start modifying from here for the window handling. After loading the URL, I'll print the title of it so that we can compare it when we are doing the switch. And I'll get the parent window ID also with the driver.get window handle. After clicking on the result, I'll do a driver.get window handles to get all the window IDs. Then I'll loop through all windows with a for each loop and switch to the tab if it is not equal to parent window. And once the switch is done, we'll break the loop and come out of it. Then again we'll print the title of that window or the tab which we are in. As you can see, it is having the product name for the second driver.get title. I have created the site and hosted it in GitHub pages for testing purpose. So there is a button that opens multiple windows in a random order when clicked, which will cover our second scenario. I'll include the link in the description. As the website loads the tab in a random sequence on every click, we are going to validate the tab with the title. We'll put the test website URL instead of Amazon site, and I'll remove the rest which is related to Amazon. And I'll right away click on multiple windows button. Let me declare two new variables as target title and current title for the comparison. So target will be the internet speed test fast.com, and for the current title I'll just declare it as of now. In the previous scenario we have broken the loop after switching as there were like only two tabs, but here we have multiple tabs. We should know which tab we are in. After the switch, I'm taking the current tab title and we are gonna compare it with the target title. So if it is matching, I'll break the loop and come out of it, and if it is not matching, we'll say match not found and close the tab. Just to refresh, driver.close closes the current tab or like current active tab, and driver.quit closes the entire session or like all tabs. Here I missed to click that button. I'll do a dot click and let's run it. So it switches the tab if it is not a match and closes it, and then switches to the next one. And you can see Selenium is not a match, online shopping Amazon site is not a match, and then we found fast.com. And that's how you handle multiple windows in Selenium. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and share it with your friends. Remember, we are aiming 1000 subscribers, so hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video. Happy testing.